everyone. I'm Diana with Manufactured Housing Consultants, and I'd like to introduce you to one of the newest models on our site. It is a legacy home, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,015 square foot of space. As you can see, Legacy Homes have put a lot of effort into the appeal, this rustic look. I love the color combination they've put here and the style of this home, but what you can't see is really underneath. The most important thing, this is a solid build. Legacy Homes aims to build the biggest, strongest, nicest home against their competitors. So let me just give you an example. There are 10-inch beams from end to end. They usually build out there with 6-inch beams, but Legacy builds with 10-inch beams and then full length front to back outriggers. So your home is never gonna sink or sag. So 20, 30, 40 years from now, your home is still gonna be intact, super solid house. Let's go on and check out what's on the inside. Okay, we're inside this beautiful and charming rustic 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. As you can see, the ceiling feels kind of high, and it is. There's a 3.5-foot pitch in this ceiling, so it doesn't feel cramped or tight or dark in this space. So you got a pitch in the ceiling, 3.5 feet, and then an open concept living room to kitchen. And as you can see, the kitchen is super charming with this nice built-in bar unit right here. Double sinks, Whirlpool appliances. You've got a built-in microwave, fridge, freezer, stove, and a dishwasher as well. All are factory warranty, by the way. So when you come in from the front door, you've got a closet for your jackets and whatnot. And then you also got this pantry space for the kitchen right here. Lots of space for those extra bigger items. All right, lots of storage. And then you've got cabinets in the surround right here. So right in here, in this space, we've got the electrical and plumbing already set up for you to hook up your washer and dryer right there. And then you've got the door out to your back deck. Right here, Legacy Homes include a double casement window, very smooth operation here. As you can see, nice and quiet, very smooth. And then they also include the 2-inch mini blinds plus balances for all the rooms. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom model. So right here, we've got the first bedroom. It's a really good size. You can easily fit a double size or a queen size bed in here and some other furniture. And then we've got the other bedroom on the other side of the house. And we'll walk over to the master bedroom right now, which is really cute. You can actually fit a queen size bed, as you can see, with the dresser. We've got nightstand in here, but you can still fit another high chest if you wanted to right there. Okay, right here, we've got this cute little partial walk-in closet right here. And then over here, we've got the master bathroom. Okay, this master bathroom has a walk-in shower and a built-in vanity, which is really cute. And we've got ceramic sinks with the dark hardware. Right here's the vanity, all the way up to the ceiling. And then lots of storage space in this vanity as well. So everyone, if you're interested in this cute little 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom model, it's 1,015 square feet. It's under $100,000. Give us a call. Manufactured Housing Consultants here in New Braunfels. Thank you so much.